this is Dave with NTI Online, and today I'm going to walk you through replacing the flow sensor on your TX combi or your FTV combi boiler. The process will be the same. The sensor is also the same part. You're going to want to start by turning the appliance off. The tools you're going to require today, possibly a technician screwdriver, a small pair of needle nose pliers, and if you have ones with a 45-degree bend, probably going to be helpful. A 1/4-inch nut driver, and that's pretty much all you're going to need. So this is going to require that you drain down the domestic water for your system. So you're going to want to open the hot water taps and shut off the cold water feed from the city or from the well to the boiler to make sure there's no pressure in that domestic water. It's also a good idea to keep a shop vac handy just in case there's a little bit of water that wants to run back out of those pipes. So we're going to open up the unit here, and probably the first thing you should do is just reach inside, grab the wires for your combustion fan motor, disconnect those, pull off the wire for the pump, and really what we're doing is we're just moving some of this stuff out of our way so that it's easier to see what we're doing inside. If you're in the field, feel free to skip this step if you don't find that it's helpful. So once we've got those pulled out of our way, we're going to find this harness here. It's a 4-pin connector with a brown, green, yellow, and white. Disconnect that. That is your flow sensor. Now that we've done that, I'm going to take a 1/4-inch nut driver and I'm going to loosen up or disconnect this terminal strip just so that we can push it down out of our way. And you don't need to take it right out. You're just kind of leaning it forward so you can better see what you're doing inside here. Next, from underneath the appliance, there's a small access hatch that's oval in shape with a plastic cover on it. You'll want to remove the cover. You can see the photo on the screen. And what you're going to want to do is take your pliers up through the hole in the bottom, and there's a little horseshoe clip, like the one shown. You're going to want to reach up in there, pull that out, and then pull the sensor out. So I'm going to do that now. So hopefully you can see the pliers are on the little clip there. That should come out fairly easy. So once you've got your clip out, grab the sensor and just pull that out. Now, once you have this out, you'll want to inspect the new one carefully and look for the readings that you see here. We do have two different sensors that look very similar. Make sure you have the right one. You can usually identify the flow switch or flow sensor by the green O-ring. These also do come with a black O-ring. Make sure that you remove the old one before inserting your new sensor. So that's the removal procedure. Now I'm going to walk you through replacement. To replace the sensor, you have to reach in. You're going to push this back into the hole where it belongs. It will only fit one way, so it is possible to stick it in upside down. It won't fit. Generally speaking, the 90-degree bend is going to be down. Okay, give that a little push. You don't have to cram it in there, but you do have to make sure it's firmly seated. Now comes the trickier part, which is you hold the clip with your pliers, you reach up through, and you're going to slot that back onto the sensor. So once you have that lined up correctly, it does take a little gentle pressure on the back of the sensor. The clip will slide on fairly easily. At that point, we just need to plug everything back in. And now the next part is fairly important. So now that you have your new flow sensor installed, the next step is very important. You want to make sure that you fill the domestic water slowly. And the way to do that is to open your hot water taps and then just gradually add cold water until you've got the cold water valve fully open. At that point, you can use your hot water normally. After that, put everything together. Now, if you have any questions or concerns, give us a call at tech support at 1-800-688-2575. Thanks for watching the video today. If you'd like to check out more videos, see the link below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for all the future updates. And also, check us out on Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram.